Hi everyone and welcome to this video. In this video we are going to see a nice product from Hiletgo. So let's get started. So first let's write on our Google www.hiletgo.com. Press enter and we are going to access to this main website. So here we are going to see a list of nice interesting electronic products. In this case, we are going to see this heat shrink tubing for all our wire connection. So just click and we are going to access to more details. Okay, so here we have more description of this product, and if we want to buy, just click on where to buy and buy at Amazon. Just click. And here we have some options. It depends on where we live. In this case, I will choose Amazon from USA because it's near my home. Okay, so we are on Amazon website and we are going to filter from Hiletgo this heat shrink tubing. So we filter from this Hiletgo so we can see our product. So just click and we are going to access to more information. So as you can see, we have the price more than $6 and that is really great. So I was really so exciting to get this because I have many wire connection and I didn't use it before, and these all of them give really a nice detail to our projects. And as you can see, we have many of them, so we will take so much time to use all of them. Okay, so if we agree to buy, just add to cart and we can continue adding to our cart. If we want to buy, just click on buy now. Of course, it's necessary to create an account because we have to give all our information like address, name, phone, etc. Okay, before we continue, we have to consider something, that the recommendation is to not buy just one product. In this case, we should buy more than one. Why? Because if we buy many products, we will have a package of many products, and we will pay just for the cost of one package sending. And in the case that we buy one product this week, another product the second week, so we will have to pay the cost of two package sending. So the recommendation is to buy many products and collect a package and just pay for one sending. Okay, so we don't have really any problem because we have Hiletgo. Just we can click on Hiletgo again and we have many electronic devices that we can add and we can buy to our package. So just it depends on you. You can check what you need and we can take this opportunity. And here we finally received our product from Hiletgo. So let's see, we really have many of them. We can see that they come in a different sizes, different length, different diameters, and of course different colors. I was so excited to receive this because I never used before and I wanted to use for all the electronic products, for all the wire connection, to improve the details of the electronic projects. So we have really many, so we will take so much time to use all of them. Okay, so I use some of them, in this case, in this wire connection. We have, as you can see, two of them, red and yellow, and I cut from the middle because the leg was a little big. We have to consider that for doing this work, we need a heat air gun, but if we don't have that, no problem, we can use a solder gun. I am not telling that this is the correct way. No, this is not the correct way, but this is another way, maybe economical way when we don't have this heat air gun. Okay, so we did that with this solder gun, and we are going to show how we did. So we need to put another tubing. So let's choose another one, and we will be able to see how we did. So in this case, we are going to use another color. Maybe the black color is the one we are going to use. In this case, two of them because the leg is a little big. So let's put the first one. Just we can see that maybe it doesn't cover very well at all. So let's use this for the first middle and then use the other for the other middle. So just put in the correct position and use the solder gun. Just do it really soft. Don't hurry up. Just as I said, maybe this is not the best, not the correct way, but this way made the job. Okay, so just let pass a little bit for all the sizes. Just a little bit. We don't need to hurry. Just let's do it. Okay, so we can see that it worked. And after we've finished until we can, just put the other one that this will cover the other part. So just let's put over here. And finally we have this. And we are going to do the same. We are going to pass our solder gun just a little bit. We don't need to exaggerate. As I said, the correct way maybe is with heat air gun, but we don't need to spend so much money for do this work. The most important is to use this tubing, and we want to improve our wire connection. Okay, so just do it. Just let's pass a little bit, and after we finish, we can have this really so great tubing connection. So we can clean a little bit, and here we have. Okay, we can see that this is about to finish, that really it resists so much temperature. At the end, we will have a really nice tubing connection. Okay, so as you can see, this solder gun made the job, so we can use it for all our wire connection. And I wanted to show what else we can do. For example, I have this stepper that I also connect, but not in the correct way, not in the best way. So I am going to use also for this stepper motor connection. So we can see the difference from one to other. And also I am going to use for this little robotic arm. So also I extend the connection, the wire connection of this robotic arm, but I didn't use this heat shrink tubing. So really it's a good opportunity because we have many diameters and many colors. And of course, we are going to improve the presentation of our electronic product. So at the end, we are going to see that the final presentation will really improve so much. So here we have really the connection. I take this cover, and I also take this black belt, and we can see the connection of the two wires. Okay, so we are going to use this heat shrink tubing for this connection, for all of them. So we are going to improve really the presentation of our little robotic arm. This little robotic arm have 3 servo motors. So we are going to talk about this in another video. So just let's use this heat shrink tubing, And we are going to do that in a fast way.
Тают города, гаснут фонари, но не спится юному маэстро до зари. 300 лет, как Моцарт с нами, Моцарт учит нас любви. Лава и вода, тайну подари, гений вдохновением ты нас удивил. Этот хит мы повторяем, этот хит нас покорил. И опять красавица весна, и опять ночами не до сна. Заряжают скрипки соловьи, нас турецким ровно до зари. Стертые века, старая луна, но не спится юному маэстро окна. С нами Моцарт, он играет нас сквозь времена. День и ночь, покуда разум не растает, и любовь бежит по жилам, словно пар. День за днем нас эта музыка спасает. В унисон играют запад и восток.
Okay, so we finally finish, and we can see the difference. We can see the difference, and then using this heat shrink tubing, the connection really is safety, and we have a really nice presentation. This is the stepper that we didn't complete yet, but of course we are going to complete later. But let's use to compare. In this case, we have using the tubing and without using the tubing. I am not telling you using the black belt is not good. Of course, this works, but we can improve our presentation, our connection, and make this safety. Okay, really, I was so excited to use them, and I am going to use for all the rest of electronic projects. So I will leave all the necessary links on the video description. Thank you so much for watching this video. We can see also the stepper with the tubing, and I invite you to subscribe to this channel if you didn't do, and leave your comments. See you until the next video.